Hi everyone, it's Wayne. Hey, today I've got for you a lug wrench. That's big time, right? Lug wrench. Now this is the WorkPro. It's collapsible. Yeah, yeah. It slides in a pouch. That's nice. It's got the 13/16, 3/4, 7/8, and 11/16. Of course, it's got the metric conversions on there also, but it's nice. It's handy. It's big enough that you can get the leverage to do what you need to do. I use it when I was traveling around pulling campers behind my pickup for hire, and never had a flat tire, but I always use it to check, make sure all the lugs were tight before I took off. And it doesn't slip. It takes a good bite on the lug nuts, and it's handy. A lot more handy than those little contraptions they put in your vehicles these days. So this is the WorkPro. Get you one. They got a lot of good tools. Check them out. Bye now.